Hi, everyone. As pastors and parents, I'm sure that you're aware of the challenges students face when talking about sexuality in today's culture. Many don't feel equipped to respond to difficult questions, or they may be too intimidated to engage their friends in a healthy dialogue. More than ever, we need to help students to know how to address these difficult challenges with love and compassion grounded in a biblical worldview. Day of Dialogue presents such an opportunity to help students in 3 strategic ways. First, students need to be equipped. How do our students interpret the competing messages about sexuality that they encounter through schools, friends, and the media? Students need to be equipped with the biblical worldview on sexuality. Many simply don't have answers to tough questions and situations they encounter on a regular basis. Some are just not sure how to navigate difficult conversations with their friends. How do they speak truth while letting their friends know that they genuinely care about them and what they're going through? Second, they need to know that the key to presenting any message is knowing how to engage. Students need to learn that they can remain true to their biblical convictions, yet still have authentic relationships with those who may disagree. And finally, in today's culture, students need to be encouraged to join in the conversation and not be silent. Many are simply not communicating the truth of the gospel because they have been led to believe that communicating an opposing viewpoint is unloving and inconsiderate. We need to help them to understand that to disagree does not mean that we disrespect. So let's all commit to get the conversation started and demonstrate the model presented by Christ, speaking love with compassion and truth so that the world may hear the message of his miraculous gospel.